I'm going to teach you how to join two columns in Excel in under 2 minutes. If you need to combine text from two different columns into one, the concatenate function is what you need. Let's get started. Here we have a table with two columns, one containing first names in column B and the other containing last names in column C. Our goal is to combine the first names and last names into a single full name in column D. To get started, let's begin by entering the concatenate command. The concatenate function allows you to join multiple text strings into one. Each parameter in the concatenate function represents a text string or cell reference that you want to combine. In our example, the first parameter will be the first name in cell B2, and the second parameter will be the last name in cell C2. So if you type equals concatenate B2, C2, Excel will combine the text from these two cells. Now, what if you want to add a space between the first and last names? That's easy to do, but before we get to that, if you want to become an Excel master, I'm giving away my $397 beginner to expert Excel course for free to all my subscribers. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment "I want the course" below. I'll send you a personal link to download it for free. Now let's continue. So, to add a space between the first and last names, you'll include a space as an additional parameter in the concatenate function. The formula would look like this: equals concatenate B2, comma, a space between quotes, comma, C2. This adds a space between the first name and last name. Now, copy the formula to the rest of the cells, and that's how it works.